So this is really a constant battle. And this particular discrimination is all over the world. I have seen in Munich, in Germany, I have seen in the United States, and I have seen everywhere. And women has related their stories to me, and this is how we always exchanging notes that this is the way we are being treated by this male-dominated society. So at the end, I must congratulate the law faculty for organizing this particular Women's Day. And this is really, it came as a surprise to me that I was being invited. Reason being that being an alma mater for me, because and I'm a product of the VHU, I always take a pleasure. Whenever I was being invited, I never deny to come to the Banaras Hindu University. So I always take the pride. And I once again wish all the success to our new Dean and Professor Vibha Tripathi. And you see, thanks to all of you. And it's nice to listen to all the earlier speakers who were here. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Before I move ahead, I would like to inform that Professor Reena Jaiswal, madam, it was her loyalty that she prepared an audio and shared it, and I will try to run that audio. If it goes, we can listen her message.
Are you waiting for me? I think I have finished with it.
Can I say something, Vibhaji? 1 minute. Ajin Srivastav. Hello. Hello, I am Madhugul.
Sir, Reena ma'am's audio is audible or not to you all?
No, it's not audible. No, it's not audible.
Okay, no issue. Professor Ajin Srivastav sir wanted to say something. So before I would invite Professor D.K. Srivastav sir for vote of thanks, Ajin Srivastav sir, if you are listening to me, you can share your views.
Actually, thank you very much, Madam Tripathi. Actually, I am very much glad and happy and also excited to know that my respectable Madam Verma ji, and I have been her student and I done my PhD under her, and she is present here, and I find myself unfortunate that for a couple of years I couldn't talk to her. So I am very sorry, ma'am, but I always remember you. That is my personal problem. I could not be in contact with you. So with these words, I congratulate to all the participants, all the respectable speakers and game changers in their life. And with these words, I express my gratitude to this faculty, this organizing team, Madam Tripathi, and also once again our Dean Sahab, Professor Ali Mehdi, and finally Madam Abha Trivedi, and finally I once again express my gratitude to my teacher, my revered teacher, Madam Verma.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. I always remember.
Yes, sir.
Few seconds I will take.
Okay.
Particularly, I want to share a story that I had the experience with Professor Verma when she was in Delhi University. तो हुआ ये कि मैंने वहाँ एज लेक्चरर CLC में ज्वाइन किया और उसका टीचर्स कोर्ट एक वहाँ पर है जहाँ के सारे टीचर्स बैठ के चाय पीते हैं तो थे। तो उन्होंने कलीग से पूछा कि जो है इनसे आप लोगों का परिचय हुआ, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ परिचय जब इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया तो मुझे वो बात याद है। मैडम ने कहा कि नहीं, हम जो परिचय देंगे वो आप नहीं जानते। सारे लोग बड़े भौचक्के से हो गए कि मैडम क्या कहने वाली हैं। तो मैडम ने कहा कि हम लोग एक परिवार के हैं। ये चीज़ मुझे इतना छू गई कि जो है ये मैं भी BHU का प्रोडक्ट था और मैडम भी वहाँ की थी, तो इन्होंने कहा कि हम लोग एक परिवार के, मालवीय परिवार के हैं। ये इंट्रोडक्शन आप लोगों का नहीं हुआ। तो मैडम मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ आपकी उस फीलिंग का, और मुझे आज भी वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से याद है और मैंने सोचा कि मैं उसे ऑडियंस में शेयर कर लूँ। Thank you very much for sparing some time and sharing your past experiences. Thank you, ma'am.
जी जी सर, आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही सर, और आपके नेतृत्व में ये परिवार जुड़ा और ये श्रृंखला आगे चलती रहेगी सर। ये पहली कड़ी है और आप इतनी एक्साइटेड है फर्स्ट लेडी LLM को देख के, सुन के,
मैम को देख के एकदम जिसको कहते हैं ना अभिभूत होना हो। और
इसी के साथ मैं प्रोफेसर दिनेश कुमार श्रीवास्तव जी से निवेदन करूंगी कि आप फॉर्मल वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दें हमारे इस पूरे परिवार के सदस्य को। प्रोफेसर DK श्रीवास्तव सर।
Thank you, Viva madam. Good evening to everyone. Honorable Justice Vijaya Lakshmi madam, former Judge Allahabad High Court, Madam Professor S.K. Verma, former Head and Dean Faculty of Law, Delhi University, other learned speakers in the webinar, respected Dean Faculty of Law, coordinator of the webinar, Professor Vibha Tripathi, ladies and gentlemen. I feel it a great privilege to the learned speaker on the auspicious day or auspicious occasion of International Women's Day, and as a part of celebration of 100 years of starting teaching of law in Banaras Hindu University. I feel honored and proud to have this opportunity. I would like to start the vote of thanks in the order the speakers had spoken. Now, first of all, I would like to extend my vote of thanks to Ms. Siddh Vidya, Senior Advocate, Bombay High Court. She told that her expulsion from the university inspired her to join law. When she got appreciation from the Allahabad High Court for her brilliant career, she told her struggle after joining the law firm and how she overcome all those things, and now those who called her to leave the firm are coming for advices to her. So this is very inspiring. Ms. Siddh Vidya, you have been my student also, and I extend my vote of thanks for inspiring the students of the Faculty of Law also, that they can also overcome these struggles. Secondly, Honorable Justice Vijaya Lakshmi, retired Judge of Allahabad High Court, she spoke about why this International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March every year. She started with the deliberations of the Draupadi and Madhuri in the Mahabharata, and she told that Draupadi was the change maker in Mahabharata. Now, she also narrated about Rani Lakshmi Bai, Visakha guidelines which were given after the Babri Devi's case. So all these, they are the change maker, and I am extremely thankful to Honorable Justice Vijaya Lakshmi for inspiring her deliberations. Then Ms. Garima Mishra, Additional District Judge, Devghar, Jharkhand, she told about women have proved themselves in every sphere of life, whether it is law, medical, engineering, in every discipline, and even as a housewife. So women have proved themselves. She told that Yat Nari Pujyante Ramante Tatra Devata. Man is not complete without women, and she also told about Shiv, that Shiv is without Shiva, Sav. So this is very inspiring thing. I am really grateful to you, Ms. Garma Mishra, for giving these inspiring deliberations. Then next, Ms. Raj Lakshmi Sinha, Senior Advocate and State Law Officer, Uttar Pradesh. She is also mediator trainer, also in UP, who is the only lady as a mediator trainer. Now, she told that women have always played great role in resolving conflict. And perhaps this is the reason that, madam, you have been made mediator. A change maker, she told, a change maker is someone who makes a change in family as well as in society. She gave examples of many lady change makers like Jyotibai Phule, Mother Teresa, etc. Role of women as change maker in family cannot be overlooked in law, being a wife and as well as daughter. Women should also be given equal opportunity in decision making for empowerment of women. अगर लेना है मेरे पंखों का इम्तहान तो आसमां से कह दो कि और ऊंचा हो जाए. This was very inspiring line of Miss Sapna Tripathi. So I am greatly thankful to you. Miss Sangeeta Srivastava, Additional Principal Judge, Family Court, Ranchi, she told that women face a lot of issues, gender discrimination. She told that the efforts of women have been recognized in many countries and many other countries are also recognizing this same. Law school was a temple to her. This faculty of law, she recognized as it was a temple for her. Women as a wife, sister, mother contribute a lot in changing the society. As a woman, she also felt a lot of hurdles in India as well as in UK. She told about that. She told about her work as solicitor and research had made about the culture and laws of different countries to plead their cases. She helped many women to overcome from domestic violence and felt pleasure in the same. In the end, she stressed on self-confidence for the women. So this was also very inspiring. And on the faculty of law, I express my great thanks and gratitude to Dr. Ruby Majumdar. Madam Abha Trivedi, who has been my teacher also, I have heard her after a long interval and her lecture was very inspiring. A long process was organized demanding equal wages. Yeah, she told about why this day is celebrated as the Women's Day, because on this day of 8th March, a long procession was organized demanding equal wages to the ladies also, females also. Hence the day is celebrated as International Women's Day. She was inspired to join Law Faculty of Law, BHU, on the inspiration of Professor Anandji, who established the present building of the Law School, BHU. Previously, the Law School, law was being taught in the Faculty of Arts in a building. She told that that time law was being regarded as masculine discipline. It was effort of Professor Anandji that he encouraged girls to join law, and now there are such number of female students in Faculty of Law that hostel is not being provided to many of the female students, and therefore they are leaving the faculty. We are leaving very intelligent students who have achieved good marks in the entrance examination, but simply because we are not able to provide them hostels, and that's why they are not joining Faculty of Law, BHU. So what vision was seen by Professor Anandji that there should be a separate hostel for female students of the Faculty of Law. That vision was very great vision, and that need we are feeling today. So she also told about the thinking about marital rape and age of women for marriage, what will be the pros and cons of this. So that has to be considered before enacting it in the law. So I am very grateful, madam, after listening you after a long interval, and I am very grateful on the Faculty of Law for devoting time to in the webinar and making the webinar success. Madam Professor S.K. Verma, former Head and Dean Faculty of Law, Delhi University, who is the first LLM from Banaras Hindu University, she told about her journey in the career of law from the time when generally female were not studying law. So how much struggle she would have faced at that time, we can expect only. She wrote an article also on discrimination against female in Jamia, because she saw what were the discrimination being faced that time. Being a woman, she told that she was denied many opportunities and she fought for all these. So now she got everything and became head and dean of the Delhi University. So this is very inspiring for our students, female students particularly, and I am very grateful, madam, for your this lecture. Message of Reena Jaiswal was not audible, and that's why I am not able to tell anything about that. Now, so far as this type of event is concerned, this cannot be organized in a day. It takes a long time, long effort, and this was for that I am very, very thankful to Professor Ali Mehdi and Professor Vibha Tripathi that they put a lot of took a lot of pain for organizing this webinar, and therefore I am very much thankful to Professor Ali Mehdi, Head and Dean Faculty of Law, as well as Coordinator Professor Vibha Tripathi. Now, I am also thankful, not last but not the least, because the audience who are also present here and who are joining virtually this webinar, I am also thankful to all of them for making this webinar a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for extending extremely meticulous vote of thanks. You have really worked hard to listen each and every person carefully and preparing the vote of thanks. Everyone has been briefed so nicely, and at last I would like to say only that women are great at time management, but we are terrible. Enjoyed the theme, the gathering, and the views, and I extend my heartiest thanks to you all with an expectation that you all be the change maker in the forthcoming future. 100 की सीमा तक बच्चे थे, मुझे डिनाई करना पड़ा, पूरे टाइम में एडमिट और डिनाई के फोरम पे करेंगे, हम लोग ऑफलाइन मिलेंगे और ये श्रृंखला की कड़ियाँ जुड़ती रहेंगी, बढ़ती रहेंगी। इस सब के साथ मैं सभी को बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ।
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
आप सभी को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई। और एक बात जो मैं कहना चाहती थी कि जो ये इस बार का सिंबल है ब्रेक द बायस, ये जो 2 हाथ हम शो करते हैं, इसमें एक तरफ महिला का हाथ है और दूसरी तरफ पुरुष का हाथ होगा, तभी ये बायसेस टूटेंगे। ये मेरा कहना है अंत में। तो हम लोग इसी तरीके से इन बंधनों को तोड़ पाएंगे, पूर्वाग्रहों से छूट पाएंगे। इसके साथ आप सभी का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद। बेटा अगली बार क्वेश्चन ले लेंगे।
हो सके अगली मतलब
may I leave, madam?
Yes, sir. We all are leaving now.
Okay, thank you all.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, ma'am.